Now, let me explain to you how to create captivating AI shorts in a creative and engaging style, just like this. What if you were to use CapCut on your phone for amazing edits? Let's explore. Let's begin by brainstorming an exciting plot for our AI shorts together. Your question should begin with what if, as you can see. For example, the hero chose a different path, as you can see here. Or, what if the world looked different for everyone back in the day, as you see? Come up with themes like these, as you can see, using GPT chats easily. Ask it to create questions like these. It's very easy and quite simple. Next, you must create images. As you can clearly see, you can create images by using CapCut and entering the text clearly here in the image section. You can either do this in other platforms. For instance, using GPT chats or Gemini is another option. In any other AI program, you can easily create all kinds of stunning images for yourself. Choose ones you like that truly fit your chosen theme, right? Now, after that, you do the voiceover using AI or CapCut, as you can see here for easy editing. Now, I'll show you how to create in CapCut easily, folks. After that, of course, you need to add these subtitles. Now, let's move to CapCut together. Now let's add any video you like, as you can see here. Well, you'll have either TikTok or YouTube videos where you'll upload your creative content as shown here. For example, everyone. Let's go to CapCut. Add the images you generated. Now enter CapCut together. Carefully. You simply add subtitles. Just click on subtitles to get started, as you can see here. Automatically generating subtitles is so easy, isn't it? Just think. But subtitles will only work if you narrate them in your own voice, carefully. Well, if not, subtitles won't work. You do them manually, okay? That's how it will be as you add text, for example, text you have. You voice it over, then you hit Ship to send. Yes, you've recorded and added your own unique voice. Amazing. And everything is fine. Just click OK, exit, and continue editing. That's basically all there is. Of course, you can easily add music to your project, and you can even incorporate zoom effects for added depth, as shown here. Here are some dynamic zoom-ins and zoom-outs, creating a lively feel to the scenes for more engaging visuals. To avoid having just one angle, carefully. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and good luck to everyone. Bye.